Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a viral yogurt bowl using an easy method. First, select a high-quality, thick yogurt like Greek yogurt as your foundation. This provides a creamy texture and holds toppings well. Next, grab a wide, shallow bowl. This shape is key for the aesthetic and allows for beautiful topping arrangements. Gently spread the yogurt across the bowl, aiming for an even, smooth layer. This creates the perfect canvas for your delicious and visually appealing creation. Now, let's build those exciting layers. Start with a generous sprinkle of your favorite granola. This adds a satisfying crunch that's crucial for a viral bowl. Next, artfully arrange fresh fruit slices. Think vibrant berries, sliced kiwi, or even mango. The goal is to create a colorful and inviting pattern. Finish this layer with a light drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. To elevate the flavor and visual appeal, consider adding a dollop of your favorite nut butter or a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra nutrients. These small additions make a big difference in taste and texture. For a delightful contrast, scatter a few dark chocolate chips or some toasted coconut flakes. Finally, for that professional, viral look, garnish your bowl with a sprig of fresh mint or a couple of edible flowers. Your viral yogurt bowl is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to appreciate your culinary masterpiece before diving in. Remember, the beauty of this method is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different fruits, nuts, and seeds to discover your perfect combination. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which makes cleaning up a breeze, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and picture-perfect creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.